Latest in the actor Darshan case now, where the popular Kannada actor has been arrested for murdering a 33-year-old man. Now, cops have made another key headway. The driver who ferried the victim has in fact surrendered. Ravi is the eighth accused in this case. He's now been arrested by the police, and the police are of course looking to get further details from him. Remember that actor Darshan along with his friend Pavitra have in fact been arrested in this case. A murder which, if we are to believe the police, has been triggered by obscene texts which were allegedly sent by the victim to Pavitra, who is Darshan's friend. She's also an actor, and because of which apparently Darshan hired a few goons, that's what the police are saying, and beat up the victim first, locked him up, tied him with ropes, locked him up in a shed and beat him up, which consequently led to his death. So this is yet another arrest, the 8th arrest which has been made in the case. Let me go across to my colleague Radhika for more on this. Radhika, what are the police hoping to obtain from this new arrest which has been made of the driver?
That's right. Multiple developments taking place in this case. A fresh arrest has taken place. This is driver Ravi, who in fact ferried the victim along with some of the accused from Chitradurga to Bengaluru. Of course, he is a key link in this case because he will be able to speak about the sequence of events leading up to the murder, sequence of events as far as, his role and the role of the other accused are concerned, because he was in the car for a couple of hours when the victim was ferried, what kind of conversation took place, what the sequence of events were, what were the circumstances leading to the death, and also what kind of instructions were given to him. Of course, he was in hiding for some time, after which, of course, he approached Taxi Association in Chitradurga, post which he feared that he would be caught. So therefore, he surrendered himself before Chitradurga police. He's been taken into custody. He will definitely be an important link in the case. He could be, of course, be able to talk about what exactly transpired just ahead of the murder in Chitradurga as well as in Bengaluru. Apart from that, there was a spot inquest also that was conducted in Chitradurga, where one of the key accused, Raghavendra, who was the president of Darshan Fans Association, who is a key accused in the case, was taken to Chitradurga to conduct a spot inquiry. He, of course, told the police officers about when exactly they abducted Renuka Swamy, at what time that was done, who were along with him, and at what time he was taken to Bengaluru, and what exactly happened post he was taken to Bengaluru, how he was thrashed and beaten up to death and so on. So yes, multiple developments taking place. We'll have to see if more arrests will happen. Police, of course, are looking into all the angles. Also looking into all the evidence, including CCTV footage, phone evidence and so on. But what we are hearing is that this man, Renuka Swamy, the victim, was mercilessly beaten up by Darshan and his aide in that shed in Bengaluru for many hours before he succumbed to his injuries, and then he was, of course, thrown into that drain. The motive, of course, is as a result of him sending those offensive messages. But is there a larger motive is something police is trying to find out.